Hey guys, welcome in. You won't believe what we have inside. We have this GT4 RS and it's a total beast, and now it's protected for a very long time. Come on in. You guys ready? Today we're walking you through the full transformation of this beautiful 2024 Porsche GT4 RS. It's coming in for the full package. We're doing paint protection, we're doing ceramic coating, and we're doing window tinting. But we're doing one more extra piece of PPF that I think you're gonna find valuable, so you don't wanna miss it. Stick around as we go through the whole process of transforming this track monster. If you're new here, my name is Josue. We are high-end detail, family-owned business located in Miami, Florida, and what we do is protect vehicles, transform them, and make sure that you guys ride them when they are the most protected as possible from rock chips and all that stuff. So if you like all that type of content and like to see beautiful cars just like this one, please hit that like button and subscribe. All right, so the first thing we did was apply paint protection film. If you don't know what paint protection film, we have a lot of videos of other cars getting paint protection film. I'll link them right here. But basically what it is a thick layer of clear film that goes on top of your paint, and it adds like a sacrificial layer. So like that, if there is any rock chip scratches or anything like that, the film takes the hit and your paint is saved from any damages. So your car doesn't lose value. So with this car being such a beautiful car like this, and it's meant to be driven fast, it's meant to be aggressive on the road, you definitely want to protect it. So I suggested that we do the full front end. Very popular package that we have here that consists of the bumper, the hood, the fenders, the mirrors. And the other thing I said is that, and I promised you guys on the video that we were going to add additionally that I thought that this car could benefit from, was definitely the rocker panels. Just because the way that this car sits so low, it's always going to be kicking rocks back there. So we want to make sure that this carbon fiber um, piece was protected, along with this whole L-shaped rocker panel piece as well. So all of that is also wrapped with paint protection film. When it came to window tinting, I'm gonna hand it over to my daughter. She actually helped me with the paint protection film too, and she did the window tinting. So for that, I'm gonna hand it over to my daughter, so like that she can show you guys the process of what she's doing when it comes to protecting the interior part of the car with window tinting.
To ensure that water does not get in the stitching or in the panel, we actually double tape it. So we first put tape on the stitching, and then we tape a microfiber towel on top of the stitching, just like that. It can get nowhere near. Now I'm applying the panel cover, and first I put it around the panel, and then I get the duct tape and tape it on. Ooh, the panels like that. No water can get through this panel.
All right, thank you very much, Brianna. You did a wonderful job tinting this car. We are now fully protected against the sun, against the UV rays, and more importantly, it has a high infrared reading. So like that, this customer is going to enjoy a more pleasant ride as he cruises in the Miami beach weather that we have here. Definitely consider a very high infrared film like Formula One Stratus to protect you, and more importantly, your skin, your leather interiors, and all that stuff with a good ceramic film. Now, the last package that we did to this beautiful Porsche was our ceramic coating service. So for that, I'm gonna hand the camera over to Steve, so like that, he can show you guys exactly what the process is like when it comes to applying ceramic coating and making your car look like this.
I know this GT4 RS has been tinted, the windshield, the side windows, and the back glass. We're gonna take it outside and make sure that it's professionally prepped for a perfect installation. Now that we washed the car and completely clayed it, we're gonna go to the next step of prepping this for our coating, which is gonna be polishing it before we apply the coating, making sure that it's super shiny, super glossy. So we're gonna start off with this spoiler here. Now that we've polished the spoiler, we're gonna check it with the light, make sure that all of our swirls and scratches are out before we apply the coating. Yeah, look at that carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. You getting that on camera?
That's carbon fiber, you guys.
Yeah, you getting that?
Yeah.
All right. So it's really important that once you get these cars, you know, as soon as you get them, to bring them on over, so there's minimal scratches, minimal swirl marks, that's not much damage, you know, has been done to the front end, especially of your car, causing, you know, even more polishing needed to be done, and potentially causing the PPF to not adhere as well as, you know, it would if it was a brand new car. So we really recommend that, you know, when you have a, you know, a beautiful car like this, or any car really, to bring it as soon as you get it, so that way we can give it a perfect showroom look. Now that we have it all shiny, we're gonna encapsulate the spoiler with a coating that's gonna last for about 5 years. So now we're gonna apply it. First, we're gonna start off by putting about 10 to 15 drops on our applicator here. And we wanna make sure we go in a crosshatch pattern. That way we're equally spreading the coating.
All right, so we're all done here with the Porsche. All that's left to do is show you guys how it looks outside. I'm not sure if it's really sunny. It's kind of like overcast today in Miami, but we'll turn this car on and show you guys how it looks all protected, fully protected outside. So this Porsche is now track ready. So if you love this transformation and you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram for more of this type of content. I'll see you guys on the next video.